Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Patil, lecturer EC department. In this session, I will be discussing Unit 2, ARM instruction set, lecture number 11 and 12. The contents which will be discussed in this session are fundamentals of ARM instructions and barrel shifter. So first we will see fundamentals of ARM instructions. Different ARM architecture versions support different instructions. For example, the CDC instruction has an ARM v5 variant called CDP2. Similarly, instructions such as LDR have ARM v5 additions but do not require new or extended mnemonic. The ARM TDMI CPU core provides two instruction sets. Those are ARM instruction set and thumb instruction set. So first, ARM instruction set. It executes 32-bit word-aligned ARM instructions. The ARM instruction set is selected after CPU resets or an interrupt resets. The next is thumb instruction set. It is a 16-bit half-word aligned thumb instructions. The thumb instruction set allows maximum code density. On flash-based embedded system, it even provides higher execution speed due to the smaller bus bandwidth required. The ARM CPU supports the following data types by the instruction set. Those are double word, word, half word. Double word is 64-bit that is accessed via instructions LDRD and STRD. Word that is 32-bit are accessed via the instructions LDRD and STRD. Half word, which is 16-bit, these instructions are accessed by LDRH, LDRSH and STRH. Next we will see what is barrel shifter. The block diagram for barrel shifter is shown, which consists of arithmetic logic unit, that is nothing but ALU, above which there is a pre-processing unit which has a barrel shifter inside it. The data to the barrel shifter is RM, which is a register. Next, we will see how it works. Barrel shifter has a unique and powerful feature of the ARM processor which has ability to shift the 32-bit binary pattern in the source register left or right by a specific number of positions before it enters the ALU. The shift increases the power and flexibility of many data processing operations. There are data processing instructions that do not use the barrel shift. Pre-processing or shift occurs within the cycle time of instruction. This is particularly useful for loading constants into a register and achieving fast multiplies or division by a power of 2. In barrel shifter, there are 5 different shift operations that can be used within the barrel shifter, which are mentioned below. Those are LSL, logical shift left, LSR, logical shift right, ASR, arithmetic right shift, ROR, rotate right, RRX, rotate right extended. These are the 5 different operations which are performed by the barrel shifter. Thank you.